Hi everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. And well, Sean, you always talk about how you want to see a theme in the market, and finally we are seeing one.
This theme has been a long time coming. The gold price has been steadily going up for quite a while, finally broke through 3,000, held it, and finally gold stocks are following. It's great to see.
Yes, and adding on to that, we are seeing the launch of these specialist gold funds, and that is going to create even more buying, Sean.
It probably will, and there will be a lot more opportunity for them. I think gold miners will take advantage of that. But could that be a sign that we're close to the top? We'll have to wait and see. A lot of movers this week. Let's take a look at placements first. Let's start with the 180 Markets platform. Arizona Lithium on Monday went into a trading halt to raise money at 0.6. Unfortunately, they failed, so they went and did an SPP instead. This is a lithium explorer that's struggling quite a bit, like a lot of other lithium companies, and it's really hard to raise money for companies that were once market darlings and are really struggling now.
Yeah.
Now, Findy, Greg, I know you follow Findy. They went out at $4
Yes.
to raise $40 million. How did they go?
Yeah, they raised the money easily from all institutions and Findy, an ATM company with many locations in India, and that's what the use of the proceeds is for, and people obviously like it, Sean.
Imricor, IMR, another raise by Morgans. It was done with no discount. That's always great to see, raising $70 million, and yeah, good luck, Imricor. BXN, they went out to raise $3 million. I think they did end up raising a bit more than that. Yeah, only a 16% discount, and yeah, this is another exciting company that hopefully starts to hit something. And Impact is currently live. Impact, we know our old mate Mike Jones watches this pretty closely, and good luck, Mike.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope this is your last raise for a while, and you get the share price up to where it belongs.
And HPA turns around.
Exactly. Kaiser Reef, KAU. I would say a bit of a disappointing raise because the last raise was at 15. They are a bit of a pumped up stock, but they did the raise of 14. I know that they raised a pretty big amount, but I would have liked to have seen that at the same price as last time or even higher, but yeah, I guess they're getting the cash in. And here you are, Pursuit Minerals is currently in a trading halt. They're trying to raise $700,000 at 6 cents a share. That was a 20% discount. Now, NMG went out to raise 15 million. We know they got at least that, if not more. I did speak to a few people this week, and we are finding now some gold stocks out there that because they are so liquid, they are trading at way higher multiples than other gold stocks. So I'm not saying NMG is overvalued, but there are quite a few stocks similar to this that because they trade so much, people don't mind pushing up the price because they know they can get out. And yeah, we'll see what happens there, but there's definitely a disconnect between valuations of liquid and illiquid gold stocks.
For sure.
Verity, Greg, I know you follow this one. That was done at a pretty big discount. Tell us about Verity.
Yeah, Verity, run by our friend Pat Volpe, and it's a small company, short name, but this is what we like to see with companies. When they were not doing well, they switched projects, rejiggered the company, and gives themselves a fighting chance now.
That's right. Let's take a look at the iris. As we said at the start, a lot of movers this week, a lot of gold stocks especially, but let's look at a technology company. This is a very small company, one we've helped raise for in the past. H2G, Green HY2. They announced today some new technology agreements.
Yes.
Greg, it's great to see they've gone up so much, and yeah, hopefully William and our mates there, they keep hitting the right buttons and keep going. CRS, this one is performing extremely well. We did mention it a few weeks ago when it tripled. So they keep releasing some good news. They had some options exercise this week and some 35 grams a ton gold hits. So yeah, investors love it. And this is another liquid gold stock. So already traded 24 million and yeah, good luck to Capris. DNA, Greg, this one keeps going up. They had a takeover offer this week, and yeah, be interesting to see if they accept it or not. I don't think the board's commented yet. Also, their results were released last week, so pretty big returns there for Doneco shareholders. SPR, a gold stock that received a takeover offer this week. So yeah, the board has told shareholders to accept the offer. And yeah, if you look at where this was a year ago, the offer is way higher, I think triple the price. So yeah, great to see these gold companies are rewarding shareholders.
Yep.
Yeah, another one that keeps going up is Drone Shield. This one had an amazing run about 9 months ago, $2.60. And then it came all the way back down, raised money, I think, once or twice, and now it's on the way back up. Pretty nice looking, consistent chart for the last 2 months. Yeah, I mean, Drone Shield, another non-resource play, which is obviously great for people that want to diversify. So yeah, trading a lot of volume and Drone Shield's going from strength to strength. I remember when it was 20 cents. So they've been pretty good. NSM, North Store, Greg, it's great to see.
Yes.
Yeah, we have been holding for a few months since that capital raise, but we have been selling. So yeah, I guess our reasons for selling are you get in really cheap, shell value goes up 4 to 5 times, and it's just hard not to sell. Look, they have released some visible gold, but whether that justifies a market cap increase to where they are now, time will tell.
But well done to Campbell.
Awesome. Keep going, Campbell. BCA, Greg, I know you keep mentioning this one.
Yes.
This one's been pretty good. Tell us about it.
Yeah, sure. Black Hat, they did a big capital raise about 2.5 weeks ago. And Sean, what is interesting is about 6 months ago, all these big capital raises in the gold companies, they all went right through the deal price. And now they're trading above the deal prices.
Yep. How good is it to have a soaring commodity?
That's right.
And it keeps going up, gold and silver. Some other gold stocks that did really well this week. Austral, AAR, Aurelia, AMI, one of my very, very old-time favorites, 10 to 15 years ago. SPL, a silver company, and USL did really well. And there are heaps of others as well. Now, a bad news story this week was PCL and Continental. We used to follow this one pretty closely. If you look at the 5-year chart, this one went from 0.1 to 2.4. But unfortunately had some bad results this week, Greg.
Yeah, unfortunately, their JV partner Woodside decided not to extend their contract with them, and obviously the market did not like that one bit, Sean.
That's right. So yeah, hopefully we can turn it around. All right, that's a wrap. Greg, much planned for the weekend?
Sean, do you want to talk about Carlton or no?
Greg, much planned for the weekend?
Not a thing.
Neither. Have a great weekend, everyone.